Hi everyone, so today we're going to be doing this. I made two of them because I just did. These little 4-leaf clovers at a pipe cleaner. All you need is one pipe cleaner and then these 4 fingers. Because this is too small, so you use these 4. What you do, you just take one end, put these 4 fingers together kind of like that, so they're kind of together. So when you want to start on, I'm just going to start with this finger because I said so. Stick it through a little bit too far, then wrap it around that finger. And go up in between like that, and then go around your middle finger like that. And then I want to go around this way, around my thumb, and then I'm going to go around my ring finger. And then I'm going to just go up to the top and make sure everything stays really well to take it off so it doesn't undo itself, because it's not really hooked together, it's just to get the shape. And you want to take this and you want to just make sure everything's where you want it still. You wrap this around itself. This might take a little bit of tweaking to get everything where you want it. So once you get something like that, you decide if you have a little bit too extra, you can cut it off, or you can just wrap it again a little more. So I want to just wrap it a little bit more like that because it's easier than cutting it off. Bend the end over, and then there's that. You just wrap it around your 4 fingers, and you just wrap it between itself. And then that's it. If you like simple little things, give this a thumbs up, comment about any ideas you have, and subscribe. Bye!